Hey friends, Miss Hendry here. All right, so we are looking at our letters and sound page 9 and 10 for K5. And so number 1 says, listen as your teacher says the name of each picture. Circle the I if the picture has the I sound. So circle the letter A if it has the I sound. And we're getting into letter A soon, but they want us to go ahead and start exposing all the babies to all the different sounds. All right, so all we need though is to be able to listen to the sound in the middle, and we're going to see if we hear ah in the middle. Ah, okay? This first picture is a pic. Whoop, let Miss Hendry turn her pen on. I'm sorry for I messed myself up. All right, this first picture is a picture of a cap. Ah, cap. All right, do you hear ah in the middle? Listen. Ah. Do you hear ah? Yes, me too. So I'm going to circle the letter A. The next one is a picture of ah, ham, ham. Do you hear ah in ham? Ready? Ah, ham. Do you hear ah, ah? Good, me too. So I'm going to circle the A. All right. The next one is a frog. Frog. Do you hear ah in the middle of frog? Frog. Do you hear ah? No, Miss Hendry doesn't either. I'm going to move this. All right, so we're not going to circle that one. All right, next it says fill in the circle under each picture that has the ah sound. All right, so if we hear the ah sound, we're going to fill in the circle. All right, d, ah, g, d, ah, g. Do you hear ah, ah? Me too. So I'm going to fill in that circle, and I'm not going to do a good job on this computer, but I'm going to fill in the circle for that dog picture. All right, the next picture is an octopus. Octopus. Ah, ah, octopus. Do we hear ah in octopus? I heard the ah sound, so I'm going to fill it in. All right. Next is a cat. 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 Do you hear ah in cat? Me neither, so we're not going to do that. All right, what about duck? Duck. Do you hear ah in duck? Duck. No, we don't. So we're not going to circle that one. Next, we have a picture of an otter. Otter. Do we hear the ah sound? Yes. So let's fill that circle in. All right. Now, this is pretty neat. This is a fun coloring activity. It says, let me move me down here. It says if you have the letter A right here, you're going to color it blue. If you have the letter E, you're going to color it red. I, orange. O, purple, and U, brown. All right, guys, that's something that you can do all by yourself, and there's a key right there. So make sure that you use the correct crayon, okay? Bye, guys.